Did you know fewer than half of Americans know the U.S. Constitution is the supreme law of the land? My name is Tom DeLuca, and this is the U.S. Constitution Verbatim, a series reading the Constitution to start real conversations about what it does and doesn't define. Today, we're covering Amendment 25, Section 4. Just a note, Article 2, Section 1 of the U.S. Constitution was affected by the 25th Amendment. Amendment 25, Section 4. Whenever the Vice President and a majority of either the principal officers of the executive departments or of such other body as Congress may by law provide, transmit to the President pro tempore of the Senate and the Speaker of the House of Representatives their written declaration that the President is unable to discharge the powers and duties of his office, the Vice President shall immediately assume the powers and duties of the office as acting President. Thereafter, when the President transmits to the President pro tempore of the Senate and the Speaker of the House of Representatives his written declaration that no inability exists, he shall resume the powers and duties of his office unless the Vice President and a majority of either of the principal officers of the Executive Department or of such other body as Congress may by law provide remit within 4 days to the President pro tempore of the Senate and the Speaker of the House of Representatives their written declaration that the President is unable to discharge the powers and duties of his office. Thereupon, Congress shall decide the issue assembling within 48 hours for the purpose, if not in session. If the Congress within 21 days after receipt of the latter written declaration, or if Congress is not in session within 21 days after Congress is required to assemble, determines by 2/3 vote of both houses that the President is unable to discharge the powers and duties of his office, the Vice President shall continue to discharge the same as acting President, otherwise the President shall resume the powers and duties of his office. That was Amendment 25, Section 4 of the U.S. Constitution. Please share this video with someone you know to discuss if and how you'd make this section better. Then come back here and comment on what your conclusions are so your thoughts can be included in the amendment drafting process. Together, we will fix the holes in our government that the founders expected us to fill. This content or any media produced by me, Tom DeLuca, may not be used for training, testing, or developing AI systems without prior written permission from myself. Thank you.